let's take a look at Google Slides. To begin creating, we can go to slides.google.com and choose Blank to begin. Another way to get to Google Slides is to start in Drive, choose New, Google Slides, and a blank slide will be populated. Once our Google Slides has opened, we'll want to give it a title so we can easily access it in our Drive. We can begin by titling our presentation and giving it a subtitle if needed. If we don't need a subtitle, we can easily select the box and delete it. You can move text boxes, images, or videos around using the grid lines to easily center. Next, let's add a new slide. I'll choose the plus sign, or I can choose the caret next to the plus sign to select the layout of my choice. I can edit text by simply using the toolbar and choosing text styles that I would like to use for my slide. I can also change colors, add links, or even leave myself a comment or allow others to view my slides and leave me comments and suggestions for editing and revising. Let's begin by inserting a text box. I can choose the text box icon or go to Insert and choose Text Box. I can make the text box as big or as small as I would like. Again, I can edit my text, center it, and even center it in the box. Another option is to create a border around the box. Next, let's insert an image. I'll choose Image, and there are many different insert options. I can insert directly from Drive, upload from my computer, as well as search the web. When I choose Search the Web, I will be given copyright-free images to use in my presentation. I simply select the image or select multiple images and choose Insert. I can then drag and drop my images where I would like them, resize them using my cursor, or crop them using the cropping tool. If I want to replace the image, I simply select the image and choose Replace. Or I can choose formatting options to adjust the colors, add drop shadows, or recolor the image altogether. I can also add lines to connect my images if I'm making a map or would like to make visual connections. Another option is to add shapes. There are a multitude of shapes to choose from. I'm going to choose an arrow. By default, my arrow is going to be gray, so I can change the color by selecting the paint bucket, as well as changing the line color and the weight of the border if I would like. Next, let's look at how to add a theme. Your theme box will be on your right-hand side, or you can select Theme if it is not open. When adding a theme to slides, you want to do it at the beginning. Because I inserted a blank slide, the theme does not apply, and it only applies to slides that were chosen from the layout. There are many different themes to choose from. You can also import a theme you've downloaded from the web. I can add slide transitions, so when I'm presenting, my presentation looks flawless. I can also add a layout by simply selecting Layout and choosing from a slide of my choice. And last, I can add a background by either uploading an image or choosing from a color palette. There are many different options in slides, such as formatting that allows you to format text, slides, images, and more. The Slide tab that allows me to simply create a new slide, duplicate a slide, delete, and more. The View slide allows me to look at the different viewing options as well as add animations to my slide. There are so many options to choose from. Tools allows me to check my spelling, use a dictionary, open Q&As while presenting, or voice type my speaker notes. If I choose voice type speaker notes, I'll need to click my microphone on, allow my microphone, and then I can begin typing in my speaker note box. Speaker notes are only visible to the presenter and not to the audience while presenting. Once I'm done speaking, I'll simply select the microphone and turn it off. I can see how my dictation was placed in the speaker box and edit if needed. Once I've created my slideshow, I'll want to share it. I'll choose Share, and I can add someone to edit to work on the slides with me. I can add others to comment and provide me feedback, or I can select to add people where they're viewable only. I can also change my settings to anyone with a link can view and simply share my link with others so they can view my slides. Have fun creating in Google Slides. The possibilities are endless.